Alright, let's see what she's got. Oh, baby. That front wheel tried to lift up in third gear. That's a hell of a feeling. Alright, we're coming at you live. I think the last time I was on a sport bike, it was the new R1. And now, we are on a new S1000RR. My buddy told me he wanted me to wash it up for him before he heads down to Texas. They're taking the bikes down to MotoGP. And he said I could take it out for a spin too, so I'm going to run a couple of errands this afternoon because I'm all finished up with work for the day. Hopefully go hit some back roads and see what this thing's all about, man. But so far, initial impressions are this thing is smooth and fast. But I'm actually kind of thinking that I like the R1 seating position a little bit more, just because it's so wide. This is a lot more narrow. But they're telling me both that if I was to ride this one all day or the R1 all day, that I would come back feeling less sore on this bike. So, who knows, man. It feels pretty damn stable so far. I keep thinking I'm on GP shifter, because the R1 I had a GP shifter, so I'm like super confused. But I know I'll get used to it. I definitely like GP shifting more than regular now that I've rode it. Oh, there's a state trooper. I don't know if you guys can hear my voice over the wind, because I can't even hear my own voice over the wind. I can barely hear the bike. I've been waiting for this moment all day to just be free out on tube. So I stopped at Cool Springs Power Sports to see if Chris's Ducati Diablo was here, because he said I could take it for a spin. But it wasn't. Which means we're just gonna head over to Twisties to take him home. But dude, it is beautiful out. It's absolutely gorgeous. The weather has been so bipolar lately here in Middle Tennessee. It's hot one day, it's freezing the next day, it's snowing, and hopefully we'll just have some consistent warmth. Golf R. Nice. I'm in third gear. 100, just like that. This bike is a full Acro system, a full dyno tune by Classic Motorcycle Performance of Nashville. That's probably some other goodies that I don't know about. And I tell you what, it feels so good. This is like the Lamborghini of sport bikes. I'm so incredibly grateful and humbled by the fact that these guys trust me to ride their bikes and clean them. Being able to ride these bikes, it's very motivating. Because I know one day I will have them both, likely, myself. I'll have an R1 and a S1000, and an FZ10, and a 1299, and an 1199, and all. I'm gonna have them all, man, one day. So it's very, very motivating to be able to park this in my garage at home at night and just sit down and look at it and think, this thing only revs 16,000? I don't think I've gotten past 10. I take that back. Oh my god, I can't take it all in. It's incredible. Beautiful weather, beautiful bike, beautiful roads. What more can you ask for?
Or you carry your station pole on that thing. I bet you could rig something up if you wanted to.
Probably. Wouldn't that be a sight? Enjoy the weather.
Thank you, you too.
The cert. You really don't know what 197 rear-wheel horsepower feels like until you're on the freeway and you're in third gear. Then it's just mind-blowing. You're just hanging on for dear life, man. It's unbelievable. It's one thing I always forget is counter steer, man. If you're unfamiliar with what counter steering is, when you turn the bike and lean this way, the handlebars naturally want to go to the right. So the handlebars are turning the opposite way in which direction you're going. So when I'm leaning left, I'm twisting the handlebars to the right. And when I'm leaning right, I'm twisting the handlebars to the left. And that allows you to flick back and forth. You're not just putting your weight into it. You're actually steering it by counter steering. And a lot of people don't know that. They think you're just leaning over like that. But I mean, look, the bike's barely even doing anything when I'm leading. Actually gonna take a couple photos right here in the middle of the freaking road, because why not? Let's make sure she's centered. Back her up a little bit. Oh yeah, I was gonna get off anyway and show you guys. A bike. Here she is. Alright, let's see what she's got. Oh, baby. That front wheel tried to lift up in third gear. That's a hell of a feeling. Well, that's probably gonna about wrap up this video. If you guys like the video, if you like the S1000, leave a like, subscribe. I got more bike reviews coming. My KTM will be fixed this summer. We're going to be taking more trips out to the tail of the dragon, doing all sorts of shenanigans. Also be hopefully posting a video of dropping the motor on the KTM, because I'm actually going to take it to a private guy to do the repair instead of to the dealer to save some money. That being said, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. TheGreatLaker. Ow. Yeah, man, I don't know about this bike. Like, I absolutely love it. I love how smooth it is. I love the looks. But it just doesn't lean like that R1, dude. That